This is the Caterpillar 320 GC. Heavily rusted, mud caked on thick, and the tracks are completely shot. Let's get started. The full restoration involves mud removal, a rust assessment, and then component disassembly. We'll handle the hydraulic rebuild,
to the showcase of this Caterpillar 320 GC. As you can see, the restoration is flawless, absolutely showroom new.
Look at this transformation, from completely rusted to showroom new. We are very proud of the work.
Dang lights. This 100-scene project documented complete restoration of this Caterpillar 320 GC excavator.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more heavy equipment restoration content. We have many more projects coming. We have another exciting restoration project lined up for you. This bulldozer is in terrible condition, heavily rusted, completely abandoned, non-operational.
This Caterpillar 320 GC excavator restoration project exemplifies complete mechanical and aesthetic transformation.
The Caterpillar 320 GC excavator restoration exceeded expectations completely. Equipment arrived.
Thank you to everyone who watched this restoration journey. Your support makes this content possible. We deeply appreciate your loyalty and thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Upcoming restoration projects in our development pipeline. We have a Caterpillar D6 bulldozer and a Komatsu PC200 ready for transfer.
We are incredibly proud of this Caterpillar 320 GC. It's showroom perfect, a complete transformation from its abandoned state.
For use. This Caterpillar 320 GC excavator restoration project demonstrates professional restoration standards and techniques.
The Caterpillar 320 GC excavator restoration exceeded expectations. Equipment operational 20 figures.
This Caterpillar 320 GC excavator restoration represents part of a larger restoration mission, creating significant community.
This 100-scene Caterpillar 320 GC excavator restoration journey represents more than equipment transformation.